Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's been okay, hope their weeks have gone well. Before we get into the video, if you haven't watched my last video then please go check that one out. I kind of did like just a get to know me type thing because it was my first video, so I thought that would be quite a good idea. But yeah, check that out if you haven't and hope you enjoy it. But for today I thought I would jump on the bandwagon of quite an old trend now. I think it was like at the beginning of lockdown everyone started doing this, but I was basically tidying out my clothes and things like that when I moved back home, just to try and empty some space. Didn't really go that way, but you know. And I came across a pair of blue jeans that I don't really wear anymore, and I thought I don't really want to chuck them out because jeans are always useful to have and blue jeans are quite nice to chuck on sometimes. So I thought I would try and do that bleaching trend that went around on TikTok. I've never ever done anything like that, so we'll see how that one goes. But if you enjoy the video then please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe as well, because that would mean an awful lot to me. This has the potential to be very disastrous, but we'll see. Hopefully it's not, because I actually quite like to wear them, but let's go. Okay, so I moved to my porch area with so I can have the door wide open because I don't want the smell of bleach going around the house, but I think I've got everything I need. So got a bottle of bleach. Obviously at the times we are at the minute I have a mask, so useful, and gloves because I need something to, I don't want to do it with just my hands. So yeah, I think that's everything I need. I've just laid the jeans down. I know it's like a hard surface, but put some newspaper down and just move it up as it goes. I've written everything down in there, but I think I know how to do it all. Oh, it's just started raining and it's so windy. Right, mask. Oh, this is so technical. Good to go. Right. I don't know what side to do it on, to be honest. I've really not thought this through very much. I think I'm gonna do this side because like the zip bit goes over this. I don't really want that. Right. I just have to, oh my god. Let's just make sure it's all. To be honest, I should have tied my hair up.
What are you doing? Oh, she's bleaching her trousers inside.
Right, I'll move.
Where we're going to
No.
put everything.
Well,
It doesn't matter, we can put stuff back here. Just leave your shoes outside anyway.
I'm only doing this side.
Oh, you should put it in like a spray bottle.
Well, that's what I
Spray it in, like,
wanted.
diagonally
That's what I
bits.
wanted to do, but
Really?
we don't have a spray bottle.
Yeah. Chicken.
What are you doing? Rubes, you don't want to come in. No, Ruben! Ugh. Out. You don't want to come in. Come on! Ruben, no!
out. Rubes, come on, out. This way. Good boy.
So I have bleached both sides, and I actually only, I don't know if you can see that, I only used like half the bottle. I'm not like the biggest fan of white clothes, so if I can get it like close to the jeans I'm wearing now, then I will be fine with that. Like it's like a lighter blue. Do you see that kind of blue? Like I would be fine with that. But yeah, I've got it just in a bucket at the minute. As you see, it's like already turning quite light, so that's why I stopped doing it for now. So I'm just gonna leave it for roughly 1 hour out here and then come back and check it, and I'll rinse it with cold water, or like I'll check it first and see if it's a colour that I like. If not, then I'll keep on bleaching it and then leave it for another hour, and we'll come back and see how it is. I forgot about the jeans. It's been like 2 or 3 hours. Oh well. So I actually got them quite a similar colour, but I think I'm gonna bleach them more, but not today. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put more bleach on it, but for now I am gonna rinse them off in the shower with cold water before putting them in the washing machine, because I'm still gonna try them on, see what they look like, because I might actually be happy once they're on. So far, for a first try, I'm quite happy with them. Might not be once I try them on, but we'll see. Hopefully they are fine. That makes sense.